See here, now discussing the topic is electric field at any point due to an electric dipole. Due to an electrical dipole. The previously discussing about the electric field at an axial line and another discussing about the equatorial line. But here we discussing the at any point. At any point. See, let us consider dipole. Dipole means how many charges are there? Two charges. One is the negative charge and one is the positive charge. Is placed at A and B point. Are separated by distances 2A. Are separated by distances 2A. And its center is considered O. Center is considered O. Let consider the point is P. Is the distance of R. Is the distance of R. R from the center of dipole. Center of dipole. Now here this POB is making up angles theta. Is making up angles theta. See here, consider electric dipole. Okay. Electric dipole consists of negative and positive charge. Let P is a point at a distance small r from the center of dipole. Now here the dielectric movement. So dipole movement P is resolved into two rectangular components. Two rectangular components. One is along the line. So this is considered the P cos theta. This is considered the A1 and this is considered the B1. A1 and B2. Another one is the perpendicular to this line. That is considered the A2 and here is considered the B2. Now here this component we consider P sin theta. Already we know the first year we can learn about a horizontal component is taken in a cos theta, vertical component is taken in a sin theta. See here, this is the component, the center here is there. This is the component is the vertical component. This is the component is the horizontal component. The horizontal component is there along the line of the P and its a perpendicular is there, that's a vertical component. Now can write here the two rectangular component. One is horizontal component P cos theta. See another is vertical component is P sin theta. See electric field at point P. Electric field at point P due to positive charge. See here, electric field due to this positive charge means this is the direction is there. This is considered the E1. What is considered this then? E1. We can write this is a along axial line. Is along the axial line. See what is the formula for the axial line? The E1 is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. 2p by r cube. 2p, but the component, what is the component is algebra is there? Cos theta by r cube. R cube. See, because we take this as an axial line. Axial line. Next, electric field at point P due to negative charge. See, this is the equatorial line. There is a formula. E2 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. P component in equatorial P component, what is the sin theta? We get the P sin theta by r cube. See, this is the equatorial line. Therefore resultant electric field. Now this P is taken this way K, and here the E2 can be acting this is the direction. Here consider K. Then this 2 of resultant E here is considered by this is the angle of alpha. See, E1 is due to positive charge and E2 is due to negative charge. Their resultant is acting this is the direction E. The making of angle is the alpha. Here resultant electric field that ER is equal under root of E1 square plus E2 square to E2 into cos theta. See, this is the resultant vector formula. But here the angle theta is equal to how much is there here? The 90 degrees. The cos 90 is equal to 0. And also we can assume here the E1 and E2 is equal to E, that electric field of the E. Now write here the formula E resultant under root of E1 is equal to how much is there here? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p cos theta by r cube into whole square plus here E2 is equal to how much is there? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught p sin theta by r cube into whole square. The remaining terms are can be equal to 0 because of cos 90 is equal to how much is there? 0. Now here the squaring of this term and take the common also. And take the common here. See, right here the resultant electric field ER is equal to. See what we take away the common here. In this one, P will be same. 1 by 4 pi epsilon, 1 by 4 pi epsilon, r cube. Take the common here. The P by 4 pi epsilon r cube. Take the common. And the root of what is the here? 2 cos theta whole square plus sin theta whole square. So then we can write here P by 4 pi epsilon r cube. Here write 2 whole square. How much is it? 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta. See, we know that one of the trigonometry for the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then we can write this sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This cos square theta. Now this sin square theta, subtract this value. P by 4 pi epsilon r cube into under root of 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to how much is there here? 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. See here the 4 cos square theta, here the cos square theta. The 4 minus 1, that is how much is 3. We can write here the p by 4 pi epsilon naught r cubed into under root of 3 cos square theta plus 1. See, this is the formula for the resultant of electric field at any point on a point. See, next we can find out the direction of intensity of electric field. Direction of intensity of electric field. So direction means already we can see here this is the E1 direction at P point. You see, this is the E2 and this is the resultant of E, and the making of angle how much is there here, the alpha. See, at P point we can see this diagram. At P point, this is the E1. The E1 here the point how much is K. Here the E2, this is the point is L. And here the E is the resultant. Here the direction of alpha. We know that in first year we can learn about the direction of is nothing but tan alpha. What is the angle there? Alpha. Tan alpha is equal opposite by adjacent side. Opposite is nothing but PL by PK. Now PL is equal to E2 by E1. So what is the formula for the E2? Then we can write the tan alpha. See, we can write here the tan alpha is equal E2. E2 is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P sin theta by r cube. See, this is the equatorial line by axial line. Here is the equal to axial 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2p cos theta by r cube. See, 1 by 4 pi epsilon, 1 by 4 pi epsilon. P gets cancelled. R cube. What is there? 2 is there. Sin by cos, nothing but tan. See, tan alpha is equal to 1 by 2 into tan theta. Now then alpha is equal tan inverse of 1 by 2 into tan theta. See, this is the direction of electric field. This is the both of them, the two formulas for this one.